course, a fantastic costume idea for a fancy dress party. Now, you might be wondering why I'm dressed like this. Well, actually, I'm going to a fancy dress party tonight, and I've just finished making me costume. The theme for the party is superheroes, which is really good because there are so many different costumes you could create. Have a look on the internet or in comics and have a go at designing different ones. Then, get making in 4 easy parts. A 4-part attack. Start with the body part. Draw around an old t-shirt onto some cardboard box card and use this shape as a size guide for drawing the body plate. Taper in the sides into a shallow V shape at the bottom. And then cut this shape out and pad the shape out using lots of newspaper to give it a nice fat rounded shape. Use plenty of tape for this. Then add on some superhero muscles. Fold 2 squarish pillows of newspaper and tape them on to make muscular pecs. And again, use plenty of tape. Then fold up 6 tapered rectangular shapes for a 6-pack. And tape those on as well. When everything's taped, cover the whole thing in lengths of cling film, pushing it into all the ridges and creases. Then take some PVA glue, mix with a little water and paste on a layer of torn up newspaper all over the body plate. And do 3 or 4 layers on top of the cling film. And when it's dry, you'll have something like this, and it'll have gone really solid, and then you can carefully remove it from the mould underneath like this. And you could always trim around those edges to neaten it up if you need to. Then paint it. Paint your body plate any colour you like. This is going to be red. Just slop it on all over. And then add on some gold to emphasise the muscles. And when you've painted it and it's dry, attach 4 lengths of ribbon so that it will stay on you. The idea is to tape 2 loops to the shoulders. Put plenty of tape on for this. And then tape another length halfway up the body plate to go round your waist. And do the same on the other side. And again, use plenty of tape. So that's the body plate, and as you can see, you just slip your arms through the loops and then tie bottom length around your back like that. And I've given the whole thing a coat of PVA glue to make it go nice and shiny, and I've even added on some glitter. Next, you need to make the helmet. Blow up a balloon that's bigger than your head and stand it in a mug or bowl to keep it steady. About 1/3 of the way down, draw a line across that's about the same size as the width of your face. Now you can always measure your face with a ruler if you want to be accurate. Then draw a curved line down from either side and join the lines up round the back as a guide for the shape of your helmet. Then take some PVA glue mixed with water and paste on 3 or 4 layers of newspaper pieces, only going up to those guidelines. And when it's completely dry, pop the balloon, and then you can always trim it just to neaten it up. And when you've trimmed it, add on a few details. To make a visor, take a piece of cereal box card that's long enough to bend round the front of your helmet. And the idea is to draw a kind of upside down triangle shape that stretches the whole length of the card. Then draw a line down the centre. Then about 1 centimetre out from the centre line, draw 2 eye slots. And cut the whole shape out. Then attach the visor to the front of the helmet using tape. It's one bit on one side, and again Use loads for this. On the other side. For a crest, cut a long strip of cardboard box card that's about 2 centimetres wide and bend it over the middle of your helmet and then tape it as you go. Then do exactly the same with another 2 strips to give it some height. And when it's taped securely, paste some more newspaper pieces over the card to neaten it up. And cover all that tape and all those joins. And then just paint it to match your body plate like this. And there it is, your costume. Try it on and turn yourself into a superhero. What do you think? Good, isn't it? Now I'm ready for the superheroes party. And there's lots of different costume designs you could try. How about one like this? This is Flash Larry with his added utility belt and his lightning flash. And what about the Pink Peril with her supersonic arm plates and the hole in her helmet to fit her hair through? And look at that, the Green Queen, who hasn't got a helmet, she's got an elaborate cosmic mask. And of course, there's me, ARTY Attack. Try it yourself. Turn you and your friends into superheroes for your next fancy dress party.